everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain about energy. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is used to power things in our homes, such as a television. Electricity flows easily through wires. Lightning is also caused by electrical energy. Light. Glowing objects give out light energy which we see with our eyes. Nearly all the energy on earth comes originally from the sun. Sound. Sound is a form of energy that is produced when objects vibrate or shake. For example, when a bell is hit, it makes a sound. We receive sound energy through our ears. This is called hearing. Heat. Hot things contains lots of heat energy that pass on this energy to cooler things around them. So hot things like a fire can be used to keep us warm. We get most of our heat energy from the sun and from burning things such as wood. Movement. All moving things have energy, from dogs to waterfalls. The faster something moves, that more energy it has. Science fact. Without energy, our world would be freezing cold, dark, silent, and lifeless.